Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on luggage with Samsonite, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding the different types of Samsonite luggage is crucial. Start by identifying your travel needs. Consider how frequently you travel and the duration of your trips. Choose between carry-ons, checked bags, or travel backpacks based on your requirements. Research the various collections offered by Samsonite. Look for durable options that suit your style and budget. Utilize online price comparison tools to find the best deals on Samsonite luggage. Visit the official Samsonite website for exclusive promotions and sales. Explore outlet stores for discounted items. Sign up for the Samsonite newsletter to receive updates on upcoming sales. Keep an eye out for seasonal promotions, especially during holidays. Don't overlook the importance of loyalty programs or rewards points. If you travel frequently, consider investing in a Samsonite credit card, offering cash back on purchases. Always check for warranty options and services, as they can save costs in the long run. Compare prices on popular e-commerce sites to find competitive offers. Be mindful of shipping costs. Some retailers offer free shipping or in-store pickup. Review customer ratings and feedback for the specific luggage you're considering. Evaluate the return policy of the retailer to ensure a hassle-free shopping experience. Lastly, remember to keep your luggage well maintained to extend its lifespan. This will help you save on repairs or replacements down the line. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.